When you search for the best car heads-up display, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, KUOW-IHUD Digital GPS HUD. First up is the KUOW-IHUD Digital GPS Heads-Up Display, priced at just $20.34. What caught my attention was its impressive GPS technology that connects to up to 32 satellites for real-time speed tracking. If you want accurate speed projection without taking your eyes off the road, this is worth a serious look. It means you'll get reliable speed data almost instantly, which is crucial when you're driving. The automatic brightness adjustment feature makes it easy to read in any lighting condition, so no more squinting in bright sunlight or straining your eyes at night. Plus, the large font is particularly helpful for older drivers or those wearing sunglasses. With over 1,000 units sold in the last month, people are clearly finding value in this device. Now, some users have mentioned that the GPS signal can get interrupted in tunnels or heavy rain. Here's the thing though, this is a common issue with most GPS-based devices, and as long as you're aware, it's not a deal breaker. If you mostly drive in clear weather, this shouldn't be a problem. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, budget-friendly heads-up display that doesn't complicate things. Skip this one if you need advanced features like multiple data readings, as this model focuses primarily on speed. Now, if the KUOW-IHUD's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WeYug OBD 2-Gauge Display. Next up is the WeYug OBD 2-Gauge Display Heads-Up Display, priced at $50.87. This unit stood out because it not only shows speed but also provides data on RPM, water temperature, and even has an overspeed alarm. If you want a multifunctional experience that keeps you informed about your car's performance, this one's worth considering. You can monitor multiple vehicle parameters at once, reducing the need to glance down at the dashboard. It has a blue ambient light during normal driving but changes to red if you exceed the speed limit, which is pretty neat for those who might tend to speed a bit. Plus, it's compatible with most cars, which is a big plus. However, some users have pointed out that the installation isn't as straightforward as they hoped. Here's the thing though, if you're a bit tech-savvy, the 2 installation methods will be easy for you, and it's a great addition for anyone who struggles with speed awareness. This is perfect for you if you're a data-driven driver who values real-time performance metrics. Skip this one if you prefer something simple that just displays speed without any bells and whistles. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for more streamlined functionality. Product number 3, KUOW-IHUD Speeding Alert Display. Next, we have another offering from KUOW-IHUD, priced at $22.88. This heads-up display not only shows your speed but also features a speeding alert function. If driving safely is your priority, this is definitely worth a look. The strong signal reception from its dual-mode chip technology means you'll get accurate speed readings quickly, whether you're in the city or the countryside. The screen's brightness automatically adjusts based on your surroundings, ensuring it's easy to read at any time of day. Plus, it comes with a unique alert system that lets you know when you're exceeding your speed limit, helping you avoid potential speeding tickets. But there's been some feedback about the HUD's performance being affected by metallic window coatings. Here's the thing, if you have a standard windshield without special coatings, you'll likely have no issues. Still, it's wise to check your car's specifications first. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and alert-driven heads-up display on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features beyond basic speed tracking. Now, if you need something with even more features, the next product on our list might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, VKQTS HD Large Font Display. Now we're looking at the VKQTS HD Large Font Display, going for $20.34. This model grabbed my attention because of its large font display, which is really easy to read. If you struggle to see smaller numbers while driving, this might be a game changer for you. The large HD display shows speeds of up to 199 mph, which is more than enough for any driver. It also automatically adjusts brightness based on the time of day, ensuring you're not blinded at night. The dual GPS and BDS technology means it's fast and reliable, giving you peace of mind that you're monitoring your speed accurately. However, some users have noted that it can lose signal in areas with poor reception. Here's the thing, while that's a common point of frustration, it's a trade-off for having a GPS-dependent device. If you mostly drive in urban areas, you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a large, clear display that's easy on the eyes. Skip this one if you need a display with more advanced features than just speed. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, the final product might just blow you away. Product number 5. HAOYICHE X100 Wireless HUD. Finally, let's talk about the HAOYICHE X100 Wireless Heads-Up Display, priced at $63.58. What caught my eye was its solar-powered feature, which means you won't have to worry about charging it constantly. If you want a hassle-free experience with advanced features, this is definitely worth your time. It tracks not just speed, but also altitude, temperature, and time, making it a comprehensive driving companion. The auto brightness adjustment is also a game changer for seamless day and night visibility, and its rugged design is perfect for anyone who drives in more extreme conditions. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the size can be a bit bulky compared to other models. Here's the thing, while it may take up some space, the features and accuracy you gain make it worthwhile, especially for those who drive in various conditions. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable, feature-rich display that can handle almost anything. Skip this one if you prefer something compact and lightweight. To wrap it up, each of these heads-up displays offers something unique. The KUOWIHUD models are budget-friendly and straightforward, while the WIA gives you extra data. The VKQTS focuses on visibility, and the HAOYICHE brings advanced features for serious drivers. So to quickly recap, the KUOWIHUD Digital GPS offers simplicity and accuracy for a great price. The WIA OBD2 gauge adds performance metrics, while the KUOWIHUD speeding alert keeps safety in check. The VKQTS shines with its large display, and the HAOYICHE X100 combines features with durability. Depending on what you need, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Drive safe out there.